So there's a huge problem in this country. People don't know their rights. I used to work at this law firm, and people would come in with all sorts of legal problems. People came in with landlord disputes, or they were in child custody battles, or they had employment issues. And I was getting frustrated because people were asking the same questions, and the answers are simple, but I could only help one person at a time. You see, there are millions of people that have these problems, and I want to help them all. So to do that, we came up with MyRight, where our mission is to help people learn their rights. Let me first introduce you to the team that's going to make this happen. My name is Nikki, and I'm the president of MyRight. I went to USC Law School, and I've worked in public interest. We have Kevlan Amin, our designer. He went to the School of Visual Arts for graphic design. We have Michael New, our CTO. He went to RPI for computer science, and then UPenn Law School. We've all known each other since elementary school, so we're a pretty strong team. Currently, we have 3 advisors on our board. We have Frank Monaster, the president and COO of LegalZoom. He's also one of our investors. We have Michael Chaslow, a law professor at USC. And we have Brian Harai, a former big law partner with over 20 years of experience. So when it comes to legal matters, most people are in the dark. In fact, most people don't even know where to start. To solve this problem, we're going to provide an interactive guide that asks you simple questions about your situation. Then depending on how you answer, our guide's going to tell you exactly what you need to know. For example, some of you probably wonder at one point or another, should I get a will? Is this even necessary? What happens if I don't get a will? What are my rights? Our guide's going to ask you simple questions about your life, such as, are you married or single? How many kids do you have? Then depending on how you answer, we'll tell you the benefits of getting a will and the rights you have if you decide not to get a will. If you do want to get a will, we'll connect you with a lawyer that could help you write one. On average, lawyers pay $100 per lead. Last year alone, lawyers spent $9 billion on leads. That's $9 billion just on online leads. I'm not talking about the entire legal services market. I'm talking about just our market. So to tap this market, we're going to focus on content. Right now, we have over 20 guides on a variety of legal issues, such as, can I get my security deposit back? What happens in a divorce? Can I fight my speeding ticket? MyRight's going to have the answers to all of these and more. Initially, we're going to produce the content, but eventually it'll be crowdsourced from lawyers. We already have over 100 lawyers signed up that are ready to use our software to build guides and contribute content. So with our initial content, we did some testing, and what we found was when users began a guide, 89% went all the way through and finished that guide. Of them, 35% converted and went on to seek a legal service provider. This means our guides are engaging people, and every step of the way, we're collecting helpful information for lawyers. Currently, we're also partnering with Attorney Lead Generation, a lead broker that's helping us get purchasing contracts with law firms. You see, there's a huge demand for leads, so much so that lawyers are willing to pay up to a year's worth of leads in advance. Right now, we're negotiating contracts worth $150,000. So we do have some competition. There's Avo, which is a Q&A platform. But the problem with that is a lot of people ask bad questions, which ends up giving bad answers. I mean, there's No and Find Law, which have articles, but if you don't know where to start, you're going to sift through all these articles. It's going to be a really time-consuming and frustrating problem. Unlike our competition, MyRight is interactive and easy to understand. It's great if you don't know where to start, and it has good content. So in the next few months, we're going to continue building more content for more states. Next month, we're going to release our crowdsourcing platform so lawyers can contribute their own content and build guides for us. We're also going to continue making strategic partnerships with law firms and legal websites. We already have partners that are helping drive traffic to our website. Lastly, we're going to reach out to activist leaders who are most likely to share our website with people that need it the most. There are over 60 million people in underserved communities that do not know their rights. But if they did, they'd be more likely to hire a lawyer. My name is Nikki, and I'm with MyRight. If you have any questions, please come to me after the presentations. Thank you.